Okay, guys, midday, 28th of April. What's today? Wednesday. I'm still looking at Bitcoin is doing this here. So I've got my wave A complete. I'm waiting for a wave B to be finished and then a wave C. Remember I said last time this could be A, B, C for further down, or could be a 1, a 2, and it breaks up for the high. So at the moment, I'm still thinking B, and we'll have to see what this one does after that. Okay. If I look at Ethereum, it's done a very nice move up yesterday, broke the last high, and from there got resistance and started to drop a bit. This one's quite strong, so very possible 1, 2, looks like at the wave 3 now for another high before it does another correction. So we'll have to see how it plays out. Litecoin, very flat movement, so that's why I'm not very confident with this one. It's done this. I expected it to come down here. It actually broke this channel line, which is a good sign for up move, which normally means retrace and continuation. But as you can see, it's not as strong as the others. So for that reason, I'm a bit worried this might still be an A, a B. This could be the C. If we break this level here, which is 240, if it goes below this, then I'm sorry to tell you, but then it will be a new low before we can change to the upside. All right, so watch this level here, 240 stays above, good. If it breaks through it, then it's definitely a 3-wave correction in my mind. Ripple, XRP, okay, looking good. So instead of this being A, B, C, and I thought this might bring it down for one more and then up, it has actually broken higher. So that's a nice move. It's moved exactly the length of a wave 3. So I could label this, oops, hang on. I could label this as a 1, 2, 3, doing a 4 now, and a 5. Then unfortunately, you guys must look for another 3-wave correction, which is probably down here again before we can go up. But as long as it stays above this, it cannot break $1.20. What is that? Let me just check. Go to 1 hour. On a 1 hour, I put my blue box here just to remind me it must stay above this level. So it's 119, 120. So that's the level it should not break. So as long as this wave 4 goes to there maybe and goes up, that's fine. But this wave right now cannot touch below 120. If it does that, then this is going to be a 1, 2, 3 and continuation for another bigger correction or another low. So at the moment, I'm watching this zone. As long as it stays like this, with now possibly to there and then go up, that is fine. I just didn't want to get into early on this one on this level here because of Bitcoin still looking very strong to do a 3-wave B wave before it does anything else. So that's my reason for just hanging on a little bit longer and waiting to see what XRP is doing. But again, when the SEC court case breaks and it's all over, I don't want to miss out on this move. And that's my reason for getting in again. Okay, good luck.